Yes, come on.
There's no other way to put it. This one-on-one match is going to be a struggle in every sense of the word. Neither man looks like they are remotely entertaining the idea of backing down. This is gonna be good.
Yeah, and in an Anywhere Falls match, you never know how or where this thing will end up. Two superstars going head-to-head. I love it. And you know, it's just amazing to me that this is just another night in the WWE. Always memorable.
Well, I've never seen him do that before.
Yeah, I never did. I'm a fucking badass.
Okay, guys, I wanted to talk a little bit about Dusty Rhodes here.
We're going to find out a lot here tonight. Head-to-head, no excuses. Let's get it on. Hey, Cole, don't mind me. I'm just going to sit back and enjoy the spectacle in this one. This has all the makings of a legendary bit of WWE history. Michael, up the turnbuckle goes Dusty Rhodes.
Get up. Get up.
Oh, good Lord, what a sick thud. Oof, man. What an impressive combination of moves.
Some clever offense here.
Are you surprised at how clever that is? He hits a sweet combination.
So quiet. Don't do me. I said don't do it.
He's certainly showing us something new from his repertoire.
That's cool. I like new stuff.
Yes.
Dusty Rhodes making a statement as we speak.
Dusty looking good right now.
Going for an encore here. Wow, that was a wild strike. Talk about missing the target.
Yeah, it looked like it was completely out of desperation.
He's making a statement here with this attack.
No. Get down.
Oh, trying to put him away.
On the dream. The toll from this match is really starting to show.
Get up, I wanna do you fucking ugly monster.
Pulling out. Dusty Rhodes is measuring. The bionic elbow, if you wheels. Finisher. This match.
We got to cover.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
He got the job done. This one's over.
And it's very fast.
Here's your winner, the American Dream, Dusty Rhodes.
We all need...
Yeah. We wanna do you again.
The more punishment he takes, the slower and slower he is getting back to his feet.
Somehow